In this video, we're going to do prime factorization with the BAZIC or BAZIC 3003 or 3003 scientific calculator. Okay, so first of all, you need to know your prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, at least these, and there's a lot more. We don't know exactly which is the largest prime number. They're working on that through computers. So prime numbers are divisible by themselves or 1. What does that mean? If you took 6, it can be broken down into 2 times 3, which gives you 6. None of these prime numbers can be broken down with other numbers, so they're called prime numbers. Those that can be broken down into prime numbers are called composites. So for example, 10. Can we break 10 down into prime numbers to do prime factorization? Yes. 2 goes into 10. Well, how many times? Let's say 10 divided by 2. And I know some of you already know how to do that math in your head, but we'll use the calculator to help us out. So 10 is equal to 2 times 5. That's how you write it out. That's the prime factorization. Now, maybe in your class you have 10, and then you can break it down into 2 times 5 like that, using a tree. And that's fine too. I like using it this way because I can see the numbers. How about 50? All right. So I know 2 goes into 50 because it ends up with 0. So 50, right, divided by 2 equals 25. 2 doesn't go into 25, neither does 3, but I know 5 does. 5, so 5 goes into 12, so I'm going to say divide by 5 equals 5. So 50 is equal to 2 times 5 times 5. There's 2 5s here, so we can make that shortcut notation. So 2 times 5 squared. Let's do 350. Okay. 350. We know that 2 goes into 350 because it ends with 0. So 350 divided by 2 equals 175. Okay. And this ends up with 5 here. Okay. So we can use a 5. 5 goes into 175. So divide by 175. If 3 does go into there, it will eventually show up. Oops. Let's do that again. 175 divided by 5 equals 35. Sorry about that. Okay. It ends with 5, so 5 goes into 35, so we divide by 5 equals 7. So 350 is equal to 2 times 5 squared times 7. And that's the prime factorization of that. Why use prime factorizations? Oh, by the way, if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your teachers. Please tell your friends to watch the video. I hope you do. I hope you like it. Okay. Why do prime factorization? One reason is you can take a number like 50 divided by 350 and reduce these fractions. Even though your calculator can't do them, you can do them by hand. So 50 is 2 times 5 times 5, and 350 is 2 times 5 times 5 times 7. Cancel, cancel, cancel. There's a 1 here. So this is 1 over 7. Neat, right? So you can do, if you can break these numbers down, you can do the prime factorization, and then you can reduce. What about 101? It's not ending at 2. It's not ending at 0. Can you divide by 2 evenly? 101 divided by 2? No. 101 divided by 3? No. 101 divided by the next number? 5? No. How far should I go? One trick is take 101, take the square root. So 101 square root, that gives you 10.0498. This is round up to 11, okay, with the prime numbers. So we know that we have to do 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 Try these numbers out, see if it goes into 101 evenly. If not, it's prime. 101, I don't know if I did 5. I think I did. Equals. Yeah, I did. 101 divided by 7 equals. Nope. 101. Make sure you type the number in right. Divided by 11. That happens a lot. Equals. None of these numbers will go evenly into 101, so this is a prime number. Okay. Very important to know what number to stop on. We don't want to utilize more prime numbers to figure out if it goes into it. By taking the square root, we can figure out up to what number we can use. One other thing, like for example, 51. Some people think 51 is a prime number, but it's not. Oh, it ends in 1, doesn't go into 2, right? And if you take the square root of 51, right, it's 7.14. So we should go up to 11. And if you can see, 51 divided by 2, nope. 51 divided by 3, oops, right? 3. And it's 17, okay? 3 times 17, which is right here, 17. And we know that 17 can't be broken down anymore, okay? So 3 times 17 gives you 51. So here, oops, 51. The prime factorization is 3 times 17. Now here's something. 51, if you add 5 plus 1, gives you 6, doesn't it? 3 goes into 6 evenly, so 51 is divisible by 3. That is the trick, right? So something like 2, 4, let's see, like 2,241, right? Is that divisible by 9? Well, if you add these numbers, 4, 8, 9, right? If you add the numbers 9, 3 does go into it. 2,241 divided by 3, sure, 747, okay? So a number that might not look prime, if you add them up, and if you add those numbers, those digits, and it's divisible by 3, then it is divisible by a prime number. Okay. So again, just be aware that the calculator cannot use, does not have a function for prime factorization. If you're looking for a calculator that does, the Casio FX300 ES or this one, the Casio FX11 ES does the prime factorization for you. So if you turn it on, okay, if you type in 350 and you press equals and then shift this button here where I'm activating the fact for factorization, there it is, look. 2 times 5 squared times 7. It's a very nice calculator. It costs a little more though. Probably costs less than $20, maybe in the $10 range. This one, of course, is less than $5. Sometimes you can even, it used to be $1. So these two calculators are way different. This has more features, but we're talking about this one, all right? So I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your teachers. Please tell your friends. I hope you have a great semester. Bye-bye.